Something you wasn't supposed to do. So.
I'm gonna pull it out. Only me.
You got hurt at work.
There you go. You're not hurting me.
You always like the one that we color Sam.
What's up, Sean? I think that's right.
I don't think I'm gonna change. You singing, Sean?
Okay, here we go.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jamie. Happy birthday to you.
Give Mama, how old are you?
Boy, Garrett's gonna be mad. He sees all them boyfriends.
Oh, that's a tough one, isn't it?
Oh, you cheat! Too many giggles.
Okay, Jamer, smile for the camera.
You just get out.
Just as good. The only thing that's going to be on the screen is your face.
Who's missing now, huh?
And black stuff.
They're on the... Oh.
Let me know when I should turn it off.